Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thaliz and today we are gonna declutter my closet, but also I'm gonna do like my closet tour. I really wanted to do this video since about like some time now. I just have to head to IKEA first, so we are gonna head to IKEA and finish my closet and that will be done. So I have my closet for about a year now since I moved in here, so really love guys. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe, and by the way, if you are watching this video, thank you so much for your time. My views have been low and I decided to, this will be my journal and share stuff with you guys. So yeah, so share stuff with you guys and be happy of what I'm doing here on my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and let's get into this video. So thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure to follow me on my Instagram at Thaliz, but also on TikTok. Thank you so much for your time and let's get into this video. Okay, welcome to my closet. We are gonna switch. When you enter, you have like this door. I really wanted to have like this open effect to see inside. So we have here first, I have bags on top. I like the fact that I can see my bags. Then here is t-shirts, then blouse, like things that need hanging. Then we have a first mess here with my perfume. Then here we have some lady stuff. Here is all my sweaters, pants using the Marie Kondo, and then we have like all my blazers. I'm a blazer freak. Here is all my pants, and down there we still have shoes, so I have to sort that out. Then here we have all my dresses with the color corrected code. These are my sports stuff, so I have to wear stuff to like rearrange this. So yeah, we have white colors, blacks, blues. So yeah, and here is my wedding dress that I didn't put this here. We have to wait. And on top we have like bags again. So it's basically to there, there, and here is my boyfriend area. He has stuff to put. Anyways, so now we are gonna head to IKEA to buy some stuff to like I want like to have here for shoes. Like I can like push my shoes and see them more. So we're gonna see if this can work. So yeah, let's go to IKEA and continue this closet makeover. Well, it's not a makeover, it's just like finishing my closet. Okay guys, so it is it is about like maybe like about a week later. A week, yeah. So welcome back to my closet. Okay, now we went to IKEA and I have installed this, like the set that I did show you. I'm gonna show you after. And also I have to do some, I have to throw away a lot of stuff because in order to like keep or not keep. And most of the stuff are my underwear. How many stockings do you guys have? I have so many. Like, okay, let's try like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Okay, 5, 6, 7. This one has socks in it. 8. So this is, I have about 8 stockings. So I'm gonna like put this there and we will definitely. I have so much OD. How can I keep this? This is like, it's clean, by the way. Duh, of course it's clean. But smell good. I love smelling mine. The girl who is sore, I'm gonna, no, this is too old. You know, like when they have like this, but I have bought, I'm gonna show you. So it is, this is the fabric shaver. So I'm gonna see if I can like actually save it. Anyway, so you just have to put it and you go. So you see I have some little scrumble here. Let me show you. And you have to go. Yeah. Did you guys hear the noise? Like, and then toot, I was like, okay. So here is the mess. So you have everything here. And you have also, can we see? Let me like show you the mess. Like, can you see all the shoes here? So this is what we are gonna tackle. So I have purchased this. This is huge buy. It's like from IKEA and basically it's like a divider. I think that okay, so here it is. Oh my god, this is such a great, oh my god, this is so great. So it's come like so. Let me like try to show you guys. And then it's like open like so, and you have this that you have to put inside. And you just like scotch it. IKEA is the best. This is why I love IKEA so much, because they have so many practical stuff. Can we talk about how many times that IKEA have practical stuff? I cannot believe that I need to go get more of these. So it's too big. Wait, it's too big, but it will get in. I don't care. Oh my god. Oh, let me see. Can I? Yeah, okay. And there. Okay. Yeah, no. It is too big. I am so pissed. I have socks in there. I have Vicks in there. I think like I have a problem. Okay, hi from the above. So we are gonna do the same thing that we did do with the underwear. We are gonna do selection. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the video right here. So if you did enjoy my closet slash store rearranging, rearranging, do not forget to like subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram to see how I put all this outfit together. And thank you so much. And if you have like clothes that you don't want to sell, make sure you actually give it to like, you know, an association like that you can help people. So anyways, let me show you the closet and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much. Don't forget to stay safe and stay blessed, guys. Bye bye.
Sit on my bed, I got nothing to do. Take out my phone, 1 second, right to you. I'm really bored, please don't ignore. Started as fun, now I randomly know you love rainy days and you still live at home. It's cool to see you're real with me. Oh no, we've never met and things like this never last. But every time you text back, I can't help but reply with hearts in my eyes. 'Cause I think I really like you, but I never say it straight to your face. I think I really like you, but I don't wanna repeat my mistakes. And I guess I'm kinda scared of meeting you in person, 'cause you're really cute. think instead I'll slide into your DMs. Like I said, I think I really like you, but I'll never say it straight to your face. Been a few weeks and we're keeping